Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy, Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey, hey girl, hey boy, how you doing? How you feeling? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a hair review on this beauty right here. This is a human hair beauty. Yeah, so this is a wig that was sent to me by Julia Hair. Thank you guys so much for sending me this unit. Before we get started, let's just go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you like videos like this, because, you know, it lets YouTube know that you guys like videos like this, because y'all keep coming back. You keep coming back. Every 67% of y'all keep coming back. And if you want to see videos like this, you got to give it a thumbs up, guys. And drop me a comment. And while you're down there, hit that subscribe button. So if you want the details on how I feel, the specs, all that great stuff, keep watching. So I'm back with this hair. I attempted to pre-pluck this hairline. It's kind of dense, so I think the style that I'm going to do is maybe like middle. I was gonna do it off camera, but I said I should show y'all. I really do like the texture of this hair, guys. I shampooed this hair and it's flowy. It's so flowy. This hair is so soft. I really do like it. So this is a 4x4 closure, guys. You do get combs, one on the side here and one right here, and you also do get that comb in the back. I'm gonna go in and style this on camera with you guys, because that's what y'all came to see, right? So I'm gonna go in with a wig grip. I already put this wig on my head and I felt like it needed like a little bit of security. I'm also gonna adjust these straps. So this is what I was saying right here with this hairline. I feel like it needs to be tweezed, and I was tweezing away for a while, guys, and I don't feel like tweezing anymore. So what we're gonna do is kind of style her in a way where I don't have to do all that. So I do have the 10-inch bob. I really do like this hair, even though I might sell it. It's really soft, guys. It's really, really pretty. I was trying to figure out how I wanted to style her. This is 10 inches, but the thing I noticed with Julia Hair is that you get the inches, but it's kind of, you get like these short pieces too. You get these short pieces, so it's not all the same length. So it's kind of like layered. I think I'm just gonna go in with the middle.
Used to run bass like Pierre. Now run the bass hi-hat in the snare. Used to bag girls like Birkin bags. Now back B. Oh, you hurting that? Brooklyn Bay, where they birthed me at. Now be everywhere, the nerve around. The audacity to have me with them curtains back. Me and B, she about to sting, stand back.
Baby, seem like everywhere I go, I see you. From your eyes, a smile, it's like a breeze.
Alright guys, so we're done. We're finished. I'm finished styling her. This side kind of fell a little bit because I attempted to put it behind my ear when I was kind of taking pictures. Actually, let me do that. Yeah, let's feather it. Yeah, let's feather it. Okay? Nope, not feeling it. There we go. There we go. We're going to put it behind the ear. Okay, so let's talk about this. So I'm really happy with this hair. This is a human hair unit from Julia's Hair. I like it. I feel like it's really good for beginners. It's really affordable. The price on this one is only $60. That's not including tax. I think it's probably like a couple extra dollars with tax. So this is super affordable. I feel like it's a good kind of everyday bob, and the quality of this hair is really good. It's really soft. I really like that. I've shampooed this hair, I want to say twice, and it's still holding up. Some of these units don't hold up, and I don't like that. As you guys saw, I just went in and I bumped it a little bit. I felt like I needed to feather it a little bit on the sides, because the only thing I don't like about this is how layered it kind of is, like in the middle. It's really choppy. So this is 10 inches, but I think they mean 10 inches going all the way around, like from here to here. But if you notice, like, you get, like, it's really full hair, but then towards the ends, it's kind of thin. So I didn't like that, but it can work because it feels like it's kind of layered and feathered already for you. So that can be a pro. But for me, I felt like I wish I would have had the option to kind of play with it the way I wanted to. But hey, it's $60, guys. I did go in with a little bit of powder in this parting space. As you guys saw, I felt like this hairline was so dense. I attempted to tweeze it a little bit, but I felt like that was kind of wasting my time. And for this kind of look, you can part her different ways. You can part her here, you know, you can swoop her to the side. You can, ooh, that's cute. That's real. I always come up with stuff at the end of the video, but that's cute too. You see how kind of the ends are like really tapered. It's not as dense as the top hair. So I wish that the whole length was going all the way down as opposed to the way it's kind of tapered. But I noticed that about Julia's hair. I do have another unit that's longer and it's kind of the same way. I didn't post that video, but I'm noticing that. But this quality is really good. This is glueless. Okay, I didn't go in with any glue. I just have a wig grip on. I didn't even go in with any spray to secure it. I didn't do any of that. And I also didn't go in with any lace tint spray. I just used my powder, and you guys see. So I do feel like this is a good everyday bob and a good affordable unit. Kind of to get into human hair if you're looking for human hair. But she's worth it to me, guys. If you guys are feeling this makeup look, I will be posting it pretty soon. Also, if you're feeling my eyes, because I always forget to tell y'all what eyes I'm wearing, this is from TTDEYE. If you guys know, I did do 2 videos on them. I'll leave them below. This is the Egypt Brown, and I do have a code for you guys. It's Miss K. If you guys use that, you can save some money and check out with TTDEYE. Let me know what you guys are thinking about this hair. Do you like her? Because she cute. She cute, even though she might be in a sale coming up. But she's cute, y'all. She's definitely worth it. She's worth the price. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and drop me a comment. Let's chat. Let's chat it up. And until next time, I'll talk to you later. Bye.